and welcome to a gloriously sunny June afternoon in the Wellbeing Garden. We haven't really had the chance to do anything serious in the garden for a couple of weeks now, and as you can see, I should imagine the grass has taken advantage here. We've got it's getting quite long. There's lots of lovely buttercups and daisies and little periwinkles growing in there, but it is supposed to be a lawn rather than a wildflower meadow, so I think I'm going to have to take this down this afternoon. Sad as it is, but it's a nice hot day for it, so it should cut nice and cleanly and be lovely. As you can see in the various other places, we have things have grown quite seriously. Over there's a couple of birds in the plants there. So we just need a bit of a tidy up today, I think. I've been promised some help, so hopefully that will arrive, and we will update you on what happens. Bye. This planter here was planted with some hop cuttings to take down to Stodmarsh. They've grown, as you can see. If I can get this, there's a hop here, a rather good, healthy looking hop. But as you can also see, there's lots of other stuff has grown. So I think we're gonna, as our last job today, just going to tidy this up, and hopefully we'll just have hops in here for a little while.